Hey Dino, you can see the app here. I'm recording right now with QuickTime here, and pretty much there's all the screens that we have. Some of them have been styled already, and others haven't. They just have been kind of areas have been separated. You can see action buttons and selectors. Yeah, and well, basically a login screen. So we have that. And well, it's in Spanish because that was the whole idea to make it in Spanish. And there's like a little table where all your results for testing will be saved. So yeah, pretty much initially just laid out the functionality and made sure that all the fields were connected to the actual interface. So to make sure that we could capture the information and pass it on. And usually, yeah, and like after we log in and select an area, like a test area that you want to test on yourself and the process within the area, then you start a test and it basically just loops over this screen over and over, and it gives you a score over a total, and it gives you a percentage, like how well you did on the exam. And then if you want to exit, just do that, or you can pick another test and it'll take you back to that screen. So basically, you could perpetually be in this area there. And then when you're done and you click salir, which is exit, you end up back here, and you can choose to see your previous results, which will be all stored in this table basically. And yeah, that's basically it. This is the branding for the new kind of project management thing that my parents want to do. So far, they're still not launched, so we haven't released this either, but it's pretty close. All of this is dynamic, so like once the application runs, this gets populated with the correct prompt, and this gets populated with the correct amounts. For example, how many questions they got right out of the total, how many points they have collected, and yeah, um, it's pretty small app, but we had to test all the saving operations, all the database operations. We're using a Realm, as you can see there. That's the way we do our saving. And yeah, you can test in various sizes and such, but in this case, it's just an iPhone 8. The simulation, yeah, there's some details that I guess need to fix there. But yeah, I think this is what I have. Should be able to log in with this. Okay. Okay. I can't remember. But yeah. Um, it's been a while since I did this. Oh, okay, I see. So maybe we can just do test. That's strange. Well, I can't remember. Test. 123 test at abc.com. Oh, there you go. Well, yeah, it's not quite what we want to see, but once you start your test, basically it loops over these and will give you a score, how many questions there are remaining, and so you have to categorize that prompt, and basically it'll tell you if you were right or wrong, or etc. Right now it's just saying it's wrong, so, and then it'll tell you what your percentage. Yeah, but so you can pretty much try again, and what, and it'll just count how many questions you've done. You can exit at any point, and just, but yeah, it's it, it's kind of, yeah, I guess that's about it. Difficult, maybe, the thing that there is to figure out, which in the course was kind of a challenge because they didn't go too deep into it, was the auto layout part. Because you need to be careful about how you set up stuff in the user interface so that it works for various screen sizes. As you can see, you can basically emulate on different screen sizes, but yeah, you just have to know how to make it so that it'll look the best on most of them. It's the touchy part because just programming functionality and such, I think it's actually quite okay. But then making everything fit in the screen and whatever for different sizes, that's a challenge.